Welcome back, Grammar Pirates. We are going to take a bit of a break from clauses and look more closely at nouns. So we're not forgetting all of our steps, but we're going to kind of just put them off to the side for a moment. Take a little brain break. So what are nouns? Take a minute and think about it. They're people, places, things, and the one that is often forgot because you don't learn this one until you're older is ideas. The first three things you can see and touch. However, ideas are items you can't touch, like justice, honesty, and trust. Now, there's two kinds of nouns that we're going to be talking about. The first one are called common nouns. Common nouns are everyday nouns. If an item is common, you can find it anywhere. We know items are common or everyday by the way we write them down. They have lowercase letters at the very beginning. This shows your readers that the noun is something you could find anywhere. It's not particularly special. So here you'll see a list of words. Write down only the common nouns you can find. So we've got pencil, agenda, bag, Tigger, Hogwarts, computer, apple, Asia, Miss Frizzle, island, Hawaii, refrigerator. All right, did you write down the common nouns? Think about what we just talked about with nouns. Here they are, our common nouns. Notice they're all lowercase. They're not particularly special. They're just the everyday ones here. Now, we also have proper nouns. Now, proper nouns are specific and special nouns. These nouns have a name to identify them. So we use capital letters to show that their importance. I might be a teacher, which is a common noun. But if you refer to Mrs. Ramsey, that's a proper noun. All right, so here's that list of words again. This time, write down only the proper nouns that you find. And think about what we just talked about with what is a proper noun. All right, so now the proper nouns, you can see what they all have in common. They have capital letters and they're referring to something specific. So apple here is not a common noun because I'm referring to the company. Asia is the name of a continent. Miss Frizzle is the name of a teacher, a character in a book. Tigger is from Winnie the Pooh. Hogwarts is a specific place in Harry Potter. And Hawaii is a place in the United States, a state. All right, so now that you have this under your belts, Grammar Pirates, in these sentences, please find all of the common nouns. So I want you to write down just the common nouns. You're totally ready for this. Number 1, the purple caterpillar, Tommy, was crawling away on the sled. Number 2, Pooh was going to be seeing a pirate ship at the zoo. And number 3, when the music played, the doctor was going to dance. All right, so the ones that are highlighted in red are common nouns. Now, be careful when looking at number 2 with the words pirate ship. In this case, pirate is being used as an adjective. It's telling us more about what type of a ship. And this is why you really need to read each sentence carefully because in this sentence, pirate is not a noun of any kind. All right, so now you're ready. Let's try using these sentences, and we're going to identify the proper nouns. So identify the proper nouns in these sentences. The purple caterpillar Tommy was crawling away on the red flyer sled. Number 2, Pooh was going to be seeing a pirate ship at the zoo. Number 3, Number 3, when the Shakira music played, Dr. Dolittle was going to dance. All right, so if you notice here, all of the proper nouns, the ones with capitals, the ones that were naming something specific, are highlighted, like Tommy, which is the name of the caterpillar, or Red Flyer Sled, or Pooh, or not just any zoo, but the Pittsburgh Zoo. All right, so here's a curveball. Look at the sentence here. Tennis can be a fun sport to play. Specifically, look at the word tennis. Is this a common or a proper noun? How do you know? Since it's at the beginning of a sentence, it needs to be capitalized, but it's not because it's a proper noun. Tennis is capitalized just because it's at the beginning. It is still a common noun. And this is why you really need to think about all of your grammar rules and what they're trying to tell you. All right, my grammar pirates. So hopefully this has got you started on common and proper nouns. Nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. Common nouns have a lowercase letter. Proper nouns have a capital. All right, let me hear ya. Arr!